guys, in this video I'm making a wreath out of the leftover branches I was cutting off, remember? And this is what it looks. I gotta trim it, but that's what it looks like. And I'm using these little wires to tie it. So what I'll do is, like, because I already finished it, almost finished it, I gotta fill it in now, probably right here. I'm probably gonna get this piece. And I'm watching Garfield because I like Garfield. Garfield's cool. I got my last little piece of metal. I'm gonna get more. You guys got wire clothes hangers? That'll work too. I'm probably gonna have to get some more of those. And I'll get it like that. And I'll get it like this and I'll twist it. I want to twist it. And then I lay it down. It almost cuts it real good. Gotta be careful, it'll cut it. And then I just keep doing that and keep doing that all around. I got, the wire that I used was this thick wire. This one right here. It's as thick as, so you can know how thick it is. I don't know what thick it is. I think it's like just some kind of clothes wire hanger. Strong stuff. So that's what I'm using for the frame to attach those skinnier little pieces of rod that I had. Yeah, there's a marathon of Garfield. It's like Christmas. And yeah, it's really cool. What socks? What socks? What socks? That's funny. So I found a clothes hanger, guys. Check it out. Alright. So now, where's that piece that I put? You see how it's kind of loose? It's right here. I'm probably going to get it and see the piece of metal? Go right there. Nah. I'm trying to show you down there, but it's kind of hard, so. And that's what I'll do. Fucker. I think I twisted it good enough. See, dog boy. Ooh. Looks pretty, huh? Now I just go around, throw these in here. Cover up that wire, huh? I wish I had green wire, because it's going to show. Yeah, no, You need to get more physical. Oh, that's so funny. Wood burning cats? What the hell? Let's see, is it that one? Yeah. Alright then. See, I don't know you guys. You can't see through the bushes. Yeah, this close wanger. This close wanger is really tough. Get that side. Perfect. But yeah, guys, I'll show you what it looks like after. There you go, guys. If you do it just right, your hands will look like that. So I'm gonna trim it in the middle. It's gonna look real cool. I got a lot of boxes from the ornaments. That's what you see in the back. But yeah. Just trim it right. Go on like a circle ish pattern. You know, I guess these are not sharp. Let me sharpen these. Alright, guys. Now putting the last piece probably on the ring. Stuff it in there like that. And cover it. Probably cover it with this little red tie wire. Actually. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And that's how you make a wreath. Peace.